Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to open MS Excel in Chrome. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, first of all, open Chrome and type on the search bar Microsoft Excel Online. Now press enter, click on the first link. Now sign up with your account, make a new account here. And after signing up, you will see an interface like this. Just click on left side on Excel and your Excel page will be open like this. Click on blank workbook or you can upload your Excel file here. Okay. Make sure your pop-up is not blocked. Make sure your pop-up is not blocked by checking your Chrome settings. Otherwise, your uh, Excel will not open a new tab. I also face this issue, so that's why I'm telling you. So that's it for the video. That's how you can open MS Excel online. Thanks for watching.